Welcome to Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublette, Illinois, where we're looking at 2021 park model trailers. We went through a couple loft models over there, and now we're going to look at Quailridge's best-selling one-bedroom trailer, and it's called a Quailridge 38 FLA, front living area. It's tan with white windows, tan corners, and white trim. It has a house type rear entry door, two outside lights where those round circles are, outside outlet on the door side, triple axle. This one has the extended dormer on it, which actually gives it tall ceilings, a feeling of greatness, and also makes the trailer it's looking like it's about 14 feet tall. The loft models are 14 and a half. There's another feature of this one. You got the frost-free spigot on the outside. Walking around it, see there's shutters on all the lower windows. 20-gallon water heater. I'm sure it's locked. Oh yeah, that's the access door to the water heater. Let's go on in and have a look around. I'll explain to you why this is a great floor plan. It always has been the best seller for Forest River. Best selling one bedroom floor plan. 2021 38 FLA. This is unit number 12174. So heading on in, this has my coastal bay interior. It's a blue themed interior, so if you don't like blue, you probably don't have to go any further. It's got the arched window front, which gives them a bit of character. We don't have this one plugged in, but you see everything in it comes with it. You got an end table, sleeper sofa, rocker recliner, night or end table and lamp, 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave, 18.5 cubic foot fridge, table and 4 chairs. You got linoleum on the entire main floor, except for the master bedroom. This has the big 56,000 BTU furnace. You can thank me later for that if you spend any time in it in the winter time. There's a big house type rear entry door, in swinging door, no trailer garbage here, just a good house type rear entry door. Got a hall closet. There's the chimney stack. Put that on when it arrives. The bedroom's pretty cool. This is a built-in lift bed, so it is not tradable. It has built-in nightstands with outlets, a lot of nice cabinetry, and a private entrance to the bathroom. But I'll show you inside these cabinets. You got a lot of space here, a lot of cabinetry, tall ceiling, very not claustrophobic, wood mini blinds on all the windows, 8 drawers and 4 doors. There is lights in the closet, but as I pointed out, we're not plugged in this trailer. All the drawers are full extension ball bearing drawer guides, just like that one. We'll go in the private entry to the master bath. There you go. You don't have to go out into the trailer to get into the master bath. You got your signature linen closet at the head of the shower. That's pretty standard with these big tub shower surrounds. It's floor plan specific though. You've got the curtain bar that's arched out to give you more room to shower. House type toilet, of course. We don't have any other kinds of toilets in our park models. Vanity, sink, medicine cabinet, hinged the correct way, even. exhaust fan, and a window in the bath. So heading out here, we're in the main portion of the trailer. We're back on linoleum as we were in the bathroom. Linoleum throughout. This is the aspen plank. Check this kitchen out. I love the beadboard. A lot of nice cabinets. A lot of places to put stuff. At your hidden trash can. Storage under the sinks. Full extension ball bearing drawer guides again. There's some secret storage in the chairs. And that pretty well sums up our tour of the Quailridge 38 FLA. I'll take a little look around here, let you see the rest of the trailer. Don't forget, you got a fireplace built in, electric fireplace. You can have it for show or actually make it put out heat. It's very light and bright in here with the tall ceiling. So, guess I'll move on to the next one. This was the 2021 Quailridge 38 FLA. Built by Forest River, and it's here at Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublette, Illinois, ready for delivery. You can give me a call at 815-849-9089. Let me know you like unit number 12174. Well, you have a great day.